All right, so guys, today I'm going to be taking you on a down road culinary journey to the French staples, and that is with the French crepes, non kabalagala. All right, look what we have here. Oh my world, that just looks amazing. Super decorative. Now I'll tell you what, if you want to know how to make this, let's make it together. All right, so to make this very delicate, delicious crepe pancake, you've got to have sugar, you've got to have some baking powder, some milk, some egg, some maybe 100 grams of melted butter, a teaspoon of vanilla, and then some zest, okay, orange zest or lemon zest in there, and then have maybe 250 grams of flour. So I'm going to start off with my sugar, and then I'm going to mix with the melted butter. If you have a hand whisk, better. If you have a mulao, quadro mulao. And then as it's dissolving, a little bit of that vanilla essence. And then I'm going to go in with my baking soda. Now the dry ingredients start popping in. Then my flour, gently, gradually mix that in there. Mix that up and then start getting that consistency up with a little bit of that milk. And on my fire right here, I have a non-stick pan, which is going to help us get all that very nice crepe. The final mix there is the oil. You need that oil to go in there. All right, so our butter, pancake butter or crepe butter, made about, say, nearly 30 pieces. I'm just going to cut them into a very nice shape. And then I have an apple fan nicely cut there, which I want to stand right there. And then just have a little bit of that going all over there. A dust of my snow experience. Woo! There you go. That is an amazing, delicious, beautifully presented snack bite of French classic staple pancakes. All right, so guys, let's dig in. I can't wait to get those apples with a little bit of my crepe. Just gonna get a mess right here.